is not just a competition. Today, skill meets real-world pressure. We got high schools from West Texas, Eastern New Mexico, and our very own local schools here in the El Paso area. You're building from scratch, against the clock, no shortcuts, no do-overs, and as the next generation of welders, you need to be precise, you need to work as a team, and you have standards, just like you are in the real-world workforce.
They've been doing a super job. They kind of worked on a little project, competing against themselves. And so that's what they're doing right now. And so I'm hoping that through that, they get a little bit of taste of it, see what it's like. So that when they go back out into society, they become productive citizens, get a job. Now they have something to fall back on. They have a skill instead of coming back to juvenile detention center. That's what this is. This is a second chance. You know, this is your opportunity. Take advantage of it, get you that skill, and help you to get involved in the workforce so that way we keep you committed out there in society.
Very common you see a girl doing it, but it's something that I really like, I really enjoy doing, because it's something different.
And let's give a round of applause to Sun City for hosting this annual event.